Good morning, students. Take out your phonics book and open page number 9. Today we will learn F for. Okay, F as in fish. F-I-S-H, fish. F-R-O-G, frog. This is a frog. Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. So F for fish, F for frog, F for flower. Understood, everyone? See the picture in the square box. Tick on the same picture outside the box on what has been done for you. Okay, same picture we have to tick on the same picture outside. This is a frog, so we have to tick on the frog's picture. This is a fish, so here will be a tick. This is a flower, so we put tick on this flower. Understood, everyone? Memorize F for. Now turn the page. G for. F for and G for. Today we are learning F for and G for. Now G as in grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. G-O-A-T, goat. G-R-A-S-S, grass. G for grapes, G for goat, G for grass. Understood? Match the picture with its correct beginning letter. Its beginning letter, with its beginning letter. This is grapes. These are grapes. Okay. Which is its beginning letter? G is its beginning letter. So we have to match it with G. Ball. What is the beginning letter of ball? B. B is the beginning letter of ball. So we have to match the picture of ball with letter B. Next, elephant. What is the beginning letter of elephant? E. E is the beginning letter of elephant. So we have to match this picture with the letter E. Understood, everyone? Do it yourself in your book. Okay?